weak plastic. This latch came right off. And this piece fall off. In fact, from two sides, the entire thing broke off and they have to crazy glue it. That's it. Very weak too.
Alright, so this right here, as you can tell, I wasted no time putting it to use. Everything is packed. This whole thing is stuck between my electric and drill bits and sockets. All my power tools are stuck in the bottom. I would pull all this off, but dude, it requires a lot. Well, it's not this that requires a lot, it's the fact that I've got it loaded down that requires a lot. Like, I'm just literally holding that like that. But this is definitely a great thing for the price.